Hi, how are you today?
Okay.
Okay, just speak up a little because we got people in the background, but go ahead and can you say your name and why you guys are out here today?
My name is Claudia and I am a DACA recipient, and we are here because today is already 5 months since the Trump administration ended DACA. So by today we were hoping to already have received a DREAM Act passed, but we have not seen any of that. If anything, they just keep on pushing things around, playing their political theater in the White House. So we just need them to be accountable.
So you know a lot of dreamers. Are people really worried right now? I mean, it's stressful for people, right?
Yes, because at any moment DACA can be canceled. It's only temporary. So we feel that by them having put the band-aid of DACA back on, we are a danger once again, and what we need is permanent protection for all undocumented immigrants, not for only undocumented youth, but also for the 11 million. As of right now, we are especially scared in this city because in the past few weeks we had ICE raids taking place all over. So we want our communities to feel safe. A lot of us already came out of the shadows and we can't go back in. So we are not going to stop fighting until we get a clean DREAM Act.
Yeah, it's really commendable of you guys to come out and risk a lot to be out here. What can everyone else do? People who are immigrants, people who are not immigrants, people who have legal status and non-legal status to help the situation?
I would say follow this account called Undocumedia. You can find them on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and on Snapchat. And they provide you a lot of information with different ways that you can get involved, whether it is donating money for a lot of orgs to continue to work, or for us to get ICE detainees out of detention. Also, we have a lot of petitions that you can sign, and sometimes we have a national day to call Congress, and so you could also just call your representative on your free time and please demand that they pass a clean DREAM Act. That they,
Okay, we're on Twitter, so say that. Can you shout out to Twitter one more time so people can find it?
Undocumedia.
Undocumedia?
Yes.
Okay, and what's this text resist to 41441?
So I'm with the organization Cosecha, and so by texting 41411, you will be getting connected with us. We have a lot of things that we have planned in the near future, and so once we connect, we can talk about those things.
Okay.
We want you to join the fight.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
All right. Here we go. How you guys doing today?
We feel pretty fired up.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
So yeah, why is everyone out here today?
So we're out here because today marks 6 months since the cruel end of DACA by this administration. And you know, this has been the imaginary deadline to have something passed for the youth when there was no reason to end DACA. So we're here at City Hall with people from all over California coming out and supporting our cause.
Cool. So I asked a couple other people, immigrants got to be terrified right now with what's going on. Like what can other people do to help?
What other people can do is to start joining the movement. It's never too late to start and come out with us to support a clean DREAM Act, but also to protect our immigrant community. You can also start by voting because this is a year of re-election, and there is one Republican still left in the Los Angeles County, which is Steve Knight. So go out, register, and vote. Yeah, vote for candidates who represent our immigrant values, who are for family reunification. At the same time, make sure that you're asking your representative to include DREAM Act in the next must-pass legislation by March 23rd. It's a simple ask because they care about you because you can vote. They don't care about us because we can't vote, but they can hear your voice. We have 3 years left of this administration, and I know we're busy with our lives, but this is the time to take something upon ourselves and be the voice of so many immigrants who are still in the shadows. Another step of action, come to a Know Your Rights workshop or a Rates Rapid Response, because you still have rights even though you're undocumented. So people don't have to be terrified. ICE or any of these agencies don't have the power to take us unless we give them that
Cool. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate your time.